Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cure the common paper jam associated with the HP LaserJet 1010, 1012, the 1016, the 1018, and there's a 1020 and a 1022. This is a real big family of printers by HP, and to resolve the common problem you really just need two components, a separation pad and a pickup roller. And within our kit we give you both components. The separation pad always cures the multi-page pulling problem. The pickup roller will always cure the paper jam problem. Let's get started. Unplug the machine, of course, remove the toner. We're going to work from the back of this machine first. And real simple on this, there's two screws. We're only working with a number 2 Phillips today. And there's a blue plastic separation pad. This is the back of it. There's one on the left, one on the right. Two large black self-driving plastic screws. And don't be in a hurry. Kind of give yourself some time and work with some good light. But this is really one of the easiest repairs, and just for a couple dollars works well. Okay, what we have is we have the separation pad. You can buy this pad within the holder, the blue holder, and then there's a lot of people selling just the pad itself. Either way is okay. Let's remove this pad. I use a little bit of a little pick tool, and I'm just kind of breaking it out of its like little slide rail right there. And that's it. That's the replacement one. Let's go ahead and take the spring off the back and reinsert the spring on your replacement one. And let's go ahead and slide this back down its little track. I'm trying to give you a visual here so you can see how it on each side of the pad it has a little cutout, and it actually just slides back into its socket just like that. Now, a lot of these aftermarket pads sold by the third-party companies, the non-HP stuff, these pads stick. They stick in the holder. You really want this to be springy and lots of buoyancy. That's the key, because this pad actually presses up against the pickup roller when it turns. And you want this to really be up against it tight. Let's reinstall it. Just simply set it back into its pocket. You might have to push a little bit, but it'll fall right back into place just like mine did. And so maybe somebody gave you one of these machines, or you picked up one real cheap. We sold this kit, I believe, for under $20 on Broken Printer, and what a great repair. The little feed roller on this and a little separation pad, they really don't last long. And so they don't get those high page counts like the bigger HP LaserJets do. Now I'm going to try to close you in a little bit so you can see this. On the feed roller itself, there's just a couple little white clips, and it's on the left and the right side. And what you want to do is press back on that on the left and the right side, just like mine. That feed roller came right off. You'll notice on the bottom of the feed roller there's a circle, and on the top it's kind of like a triangle. Start off with a circle at the bottom, take your replacement. I just set it right back on top of it and just press. And just like that, it's in. And what a really simple repair. Just don't press too hard on these left and right ones, on those clips, those white clips. You just don't want to break those. And that's it. You just solved the common paper jam problem. And I like to, on this machine, just of course put everything back in it, run a few prints. If it happened to jam on the first copy, no big deal. But there you go. A really simple repair that requires only two components. And you can do this yourself really real easy, and have a lot of fun with the repair. And you know, for under $20, this is pretty simple. Hope this was helpful today. Thanks.